Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP-980 TempSpike Pro truly wireless Wi-Fi meat thermometer. In this video, we'll be going over the package contents, setup and pairing, design and features, application features and settings, and operating the device. First, let's go over the package contents. Out of the box, you will receive one expandable charging hub and 1 to 4 TempSpike Plus probes, one booster, one customer support card, one USB charging cable, one user manual. Now let's go over setup and pairing. First, connect the charging hubs as demonstrated until a click is felt or heard. Next, fully charge both the booster and probes. When the booster and probes are fully charged, scan the QR code in the manual for your operating system or search ThermoPro in the Apple and Google Play stores. Download and install the app on your smart device. Make sure to enable Bluetooth on your smart device. Launch the ThermoPro app and press Add Device. Press the red plus sign and then select the TempSpike Pro device when it appears on the display. Press the Wi-Fi button on the back of the booster twice. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Congratulations, your TempSpike Pro is ready for use. Now let's go over probe to booster pairing. The probes and booster are already pre-paired at our manufacturing facilities. In the event they disconnect from each other, simply remove that probe from its booster and then press and hold the probe button for 3 to 4 seconds for the selected probe. Once the internal and ambient readings appear on the display, the probe has been paired. Now let's go over the design and features of the booster. The booster is designed to receive the temperature signal from the probe and boosts and transmits it to the cloud via Wi-Fi network or to your smart device directly via Bluetooth. Now let's go over some of the features. The booster is equipped with a large LCD display, both internal and ambient temperature readings, internal and ambient temperature alarm indicators, a Wi-Fi connection indicator, a booster battery power indicator, a probe battery power indicator, a backlight, magnetic backing, and a tabletop stand. The power sync button serves 2 functions. Press it once to turn on or off the booster. Press and hold it to pair the probes to the booster. The probe button also serves 2 different functions. Press it once to show different probes on the screen, or you can press and hold to pair the selected probe to the booster while the probe is removed. Now let's quickly go over the probe features. The sensor for the internal meat temperature is located in the tip and middle of the probe. The sensor for the ambient air temperature is located in the handle of the probe. When inserting the probe into the meat, make sure to insert it all the way into the meat so only the handle is visible. Now let's go over the application settings. Click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner to access the app settings. You will find a Fahrenheit Celsius option which will change both the app and display readings. It has a food profile setting where you can edit preset meat temperatures. For example, if you click on beef, then steak, then sirloin, then medium rare, then press the edit button, you can adjust the temperature, then press OK. There is also disconnection notice notifications, product registration, and language options. Now let's go over the device features and settings. The app has direct access to our recipes and our shop. There is an estimated time remaining feature, a history feature with a data export option, a cooking graph, a recording feature, and a notepad. To access the device settings, click on the 3 dots beside the battery icon. Click on Device Settings. You will see that there are internal and ambient booster alarm settings, internal and ambient app alarm settings, with over 350 alarm options, a vibration option, and a temperature pre-alarm option. Now let's go over how to operate the device. In the app, click on the probe you want to use. Click on No Profile to select which type of meat profile you want to use. For example, you can click on beef, steak, sirloin, medium rare, then press OK. To set a high and low ambient temperature alarm, press on either low or high. Drag the high and low setting to your preference, then press Save. If you wish to record the cook, make sure the recording button is a red square. A red circle means the recording process is paused. To access the other probes, simply swipe on the screen to change probes. Congratulations, you are now ready to set up and use your brand new ThermoPro TP-980 TempSpike Pro truly wireless Wi-Fi meat thermometer.